Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 10th of September 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, let's talk about Rabby Wallet's innovative new feature, GasAccount. This tool is designed to simplify the often cumbersome process of paying gas fees for cryptocurrency transactions. Users can now deposit USDT or USDC into their gas account, which can then be used to cover gas fees across all their addresses on any network. This eliminates the need to hold specific gas tokens, offering a more streamlined and user-friendly experience. When a transaction is initiated, Rabby estimates the required gas fee, sends it to the user's address, and submits the transaction on-chain, all within seconds. The total cost includes the estimated maximum gas fee, and any unused gas remains in the user's address without additional charges. Importantly, Rabby doesn't impose extra fees for this service, only a small transaction fee for sending gas to the address. This feature is a testament to Rabby Wallet's commitment to enhancing user convenience and efficiency in managing gas payments. Next, we delve into a fascinating thread by Pet3apan that explores the excitement surrounding investments in consumer crypto products. The venture firm 1KX has already made 30 investments in this area and is actively seeking new opportunities. The focus is on sectors like social media, creator economies, digital ownership, and gaming. The thread emphasizes the importance of shared spaces for creators and users, highlighting the growth potential of on-chain content and new social games that engage larger audiences. However, the thread also addresses the challenges of network building in decentralized environments, noting that many organizations struggle with coordination and clarity of objectives, which can stifle innovation. The author reflects on the evolution of on-chain games and autonomous worlds, suggesting that these areas offer significant opportunities for creating immersive virtual experiences, independent of centralized companies. The permanence of blockchain technology is seen as a crucial factor in fostering community governance and player ownership. Overall, the thread paints a compelling vision for the future of consumer crypto, underscoring the need for creativity and thoughtful development in the space. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the latest developments in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology both informative and engaging. Remember, you can find links to all the stories we've covered in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of crypto. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.